guys, it's your girl Mila B, and welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, then hey girl, hey. So, I am starting a new video series called Products Revealed. And basically, all the products that I've ever tried and used, I am recycling and bringing back and giving you the full deets on these products. I know for me, and I don't know about other influencers, but for me, when I first hear about a new product and that someone reaches out to me saying they want to send me a product, I get so excited. I'm pumped, I am amped, and I give my review, but a lot of my critique and my opinion and my criticisms about the products come from a place of it's new, it's my first time, I'm excited I have a product. And yeah, so when I give you the review, it's basically my first time review. So Products Revealed is basically my review still, my opinion, but I have been using this product for some time and I could really formulate an opinion. So with all that being said, our first product is going to be the EZDetangler brush. This brush right here. I know a lot of y'all have seen me in their ads. Yes, the EZDetangler brand reached out to me. They send me products. I love them. They're great. Yeah. And like always, like I said with these products, when I first get them, I'm super excited and I'm super stoked. So I've been using this product for ever now. It has now become a staple in my wash day routine. So as far as this product revealed, I am still in love with this product. I really am. I love this feature of it. Ooh, please excuse the hair in it. So obviously you see that I use it. I am in love with it. It makes the detangling process so much easier, so much simpler, just really easy. This product was sent to me in aqua. It does match my robe, which I don't have on, but if you've seen this video right here, then you know that it matches my robe. So I still use this product. It's very easy when you are detangling your hair and you get all the product buildup in the brush. I like to run the water and just kind of separate them to get the product out. So that's very simple as well. And I do it on this side too. And then as far as the hair coming out, I put the water streaming on top and I put the brush underneath it. And the water pressure is knocking the hair down. So it's easier to just pull it out of the brush and then chunk that hair in the trash can. Anything about this brush, I really can't think of it besides that I really do love it still. There's really no cons at all, in my opinion. Nothing but pros. I do not use the little piece that clamps it together to make it a solid brush to where you don't have this effect. I don't use that clamp piece. I really don't care for that clamp piece. I never used it. Even when I demoed it, I didn't even use it because I love this feature. It helps with the detangling process. Not a lot of tension on my hair. It's not pulling my hair out, and this right here is a gem. If you don't have this in your wash day routine, ladies, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? So yes, definitely buy this product. Try this product out. They got some new things in the works. Also, try out the dryer iron. If you haven't seen this video right here, go check it out. Yes, that video right there is me demoing the dryer iron by the EZDetangling brand. I love that product too. I'm not going to get into that one because that will be another product featured on a Products Revealed. And yeah, EZDetangling brush is still a gem. It's still a staple, and I'm still very much loving it. And yeah, so with that being said, y'all already need to do like, share, comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to catch y'all in my next video. Bye.